MedLIFE, the first Mediterranean union of life scientists. Bridging the two shores of the Mediterranean and promoting global cooperation. Fully committed to the UN SDGs, MedLIFE works to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all. In partnership with universities across the Mediterranean, MedLIFE organizes annual meetings to achieve its objectives. 2024 saw the launch of MedLIFE with Istanbul Technical University in Turkey hosting the first MedLIFE annual meeting. In 2025 and 2026, MedLIFE moves to Naples with the support of the University of Naples Federico II in Italy. Submit your abstract and join us in Naples this December for the MedLIFE Annual Meeting 2025. Experience a rich scientific and social program and discover exciting opportunities for scientific collaboration and publishing. Renowned invited speakers and keynote lecturers will share their expertise with attendees. Targeting a broad audience of specialists and non-specialists, key opinion leaders will present a state-of-the-art review of cutting-edge topics. In addition to the regular MedLIFE tracks, there will be special sessions dedicated to expanding knowledge in specific fields. Proceedings will be indexed in Scopus, with special issues planned in top journals. The publication process is managed by expert scientific and publishing editors.